got in store in the risks that are taken every night in this city. To see fireworks for the arrival of host nation USA. So it's uphill battle now for USA.
The USA aren't out us by any stretch of the imagination. They're under extreme pressure.
Oh, this time Yanufe is caught, but he's made space for Baker. And Baker, the speed stick. Under the stick for the speed merchant, Perry Baker. As we watch the kick put USA in the lead. What a great game. What a great result. USA go through to the semi-finals.